So demonstration kit that we have had up for a little while now has been the Mapex Saturn. This one in this beautiful white. This is the classic Mapex Saturn as opposed to the Evolution version, which has like a band through the center. This as a kit, however, is absolutely beautiful. If you're looking for a professional drum kit with a really, really good sound for both recording in a studio or live, playing live, this really has to be a contender in your list. Beautiful drum kit. We've been recording this and trying out different things and just listening to the kit in the cans as you're playing along to the guitars and stuff. Coming down those toms, just such a nice feel, you know, where you just got that, oh, that's it, that's the sound I'm looking for. Well, this has got it. We did a little bit of a tweak on there, put a little tiny bit of an O-ring on them just to take a little bit of that overtone away, and boom, lovely. So these come with a Remo Emperor drum head, but they got the Mapex logos on the top as well. So these are a classic, as we said, so it is maple with a walnut veneer on the inside. So you get a nice dark tone in the way of looks on the inside of the shell, so it's really pretty. 22, this one, 10, 12 and a 16. Comes with the clamp here, the tom holder. So these float. Can you see? You've got a little badge there as well, which is a good little detail. It just sits down onto the rubber bung there, and they are bolted through the lugs, two special lugs to hold that up. And then this comes with a long reach clamp by Mapex down onto your toms. You can have a center mount if you want, either or are good, but that is pretty solid and it does allow that drum to float a little bit. Mapex have also said that their feet are good because the floor tom legs at the bottom of the feet have got a special rubber bung, if you like, and that again is trying to allow the resonance in the floor tom. All I know, whatever they say they have been trying to do works because the sound is great. This one has the two air vents, and they even say that even the air vents have been worked out carefully to allow just the right amount of air out to allow that resonance in the drum to be good. And we've mic'd this up with one little mic at the back end, straight down behind the kit there to get a feel of the attack from the back end, no hole, and just put this Audix in front of it here to get that more of a sort of a softer sound, if you like. So we can increase the attack or the woofer, as it were, with either one of these. Not expensive microphones on here, just average, with the overheads even being a little less pricey again, and yet the sound has been really, really lovely. Complemented by stag cymbals at this moment in time, and again they sounded just sweet. So if you are looking for a really good drum kit that's professional and will serve you well but gives you that sound, I think this definitely has to be on your list. Problem is for drummers, you want one of these, then you want one of the other ones, then you want this drum kit, then that drum kit. Oh, and snare drums, they're going for it. Oh, and cymbals, and bits, cowbells, shakers. It just goes on forever and a day. You'll never stop it because you just need to, hardware. You have to have your hardware as well. And you need a double pedal, and then you need this, and you need that, and it just,